Hi everybody, my name is Terry Lynn Morrison and I'm the Director of Ango'tmeq Nm'tginen at the Mi'kmaq Mawiomi Secretariat.
Hello, my name is Matthew Graylahu. I'm the Assistant Director at the Ango'tmeq Nm'tginen.
What the Ango'tmeq Nm'tginen is the unit that's responsible for the stewardship of the territory, Gespe'gewa'gi. Part of what we do in Ango'tmeq Nm'tginen is deal with a number of files such as consultation and accommodation. And one of the tools that we've been working on over the past few years to help us respond to consultations is the Gespe'gewa'gi management plan. Matt's going to talk to you a little bit about what exactly the Gespe'gewa'gi management plan is.
So the Gespe'gewa'gi Management Plan, or GMP for short, is essentially a land use plan developed by the Mi'kmaq for the Mi'kmaq. It's based on Mi'kmaq issues, Mi'kmaq values, and Mi'kmaq vision.
Over the month of February, our unit is going to be going into the communities of Gespe'gewa'gi, Gespeg, and Gespe'gewa'gi. We are also going to be hosting a session in Montreal for all of our off-reserve members who are in that area. The dates, locations, and times of these sessions are going to be posted on our website, which is www.mi'kmaq.ca, also on the MMS Facebook page, and we will be putting notices out in the mail. So we encourage you to come and have supper with us and learn about how you can be involved in the work that we're doing to protect our territory at the Mi'kmaq Mawiomi Secretariat.
We hope to see you there.